from time to time, the cloud deck drops a little bit here in the FM area. The Skycam showing that the visibility not so bad right now, and every once in a while we're seeing a few flakes of snow falling here. The Highway 2 corridor from the Crookston area, where you see this blob here, up into the Devil's Lake Basin, some greatly reduced visibilities down to 0 or a quarter of a mile at times in the Devil's Lake area. Some of that fog sneaking down to you near Cooperstown and also Fargo at 2.5 at this hour. It's improved a little bit over the last little bit. Here's a look at a DOT camera near Devil's Lake on Highway 2, and certainly some foggy conditions there. And some of the clouds made of liquid, so this fog freezes on things like trees or the windshield of your car and road surfaces. So take it slow because there will be some slippery conditions. Temperatures now in the teens along and north of Highway 2. But look at this, you get down to the interstate and temperatures are in the 20s, mid-20s in Jamestown, 23 for you in Wahpeton, Breckenridge, and 25 this hour in Fergus Falls. Here's a look at the currents out at Hector International. Again, gray skies, 20 degrees. Right now, wind is under 10 miles per hour, so not really too big of a factor as far as wind chill is concerned. And our temperatures have been slowly falling since midnight earlier today. Here's a look at the satellite. We see a batch of clouds north of Winnipeg and quite a bit of low clouds here in the Red River Valley tonight, as we see clear skies out to the west, some sunshine for you near the Jamestown area and points west, as well as over northern Minnesota. Big changes are coming our way, and it really begins to arrive tomorrow. So as we go through the evening tonight, temperatures will be almost steady across the board. If you have 20 degrees, we'll be very close to that by 10 o'clock tonight. And likewise, if you're in the teens, you'll probably be in the same boat as we get to the 10 o'clock hour. Clouds and fog will still be a persistent problem for many of us as we go through the evening and even overnight hours. I think some of that fog could concentrate out into Minnesota by daybreak. Temperatures in the morning about where they are right now as you're getting out the door. But this snow band you see here pushing in towards War Road and the northern Lake of the Woods is a cold front that extends all the way back here. We'll have west winds tomorrow at 5 to 15 miles per hour. A few of us will have gusts. As this cold front starts sagging southward, temperatures will start dropping, not instantly, but gradually as we go through the afternoon. Notice the yellow arrows here. Gusty north winds in the Northern Valley behind the front. Can't rule out flakes of snow in the afternoon. And some in the far north will have your high temperatures early in the day, and they'll be steady to slowly falling toward the evening hours, though. Single digits possible up north, with winds gusting over 20 miles per hour, even over 30 miles per hour. Right here in the Red River Valley looks to be where the winds will be at their strongest. So windy and turning much colder. So steady tonight. Temperatures start out near 20. We peak at a whole 23 degrees. And then by the time you're driving home, we'll be down into the teens and beyond as we go into the overnight. 8 for your drive home in Langdon. Some isolated flurries with some blowing snow here and there, so slippery conditions, but the main problem is going to be rapidly falling temperatures. Here's a beautiful ice sculpture, if you will, a frosty morning in Detroit Lakes. Thank you, Mary, for uploading your photo. Let's see how bad this cold air snap gets. Really coming in 2 waves. The first wave arrives tomorrow night, 8 below on Wednesday. Not too bad, but we stay in the single digits on Wednesday. Thursday, back to 5 below. Looks like we could have a few flurries out there. The core of the coldest air begins arriving on Friday, and we'll see Saturday morning a few areas in that 20 to possibly 30 below, the core of the air moving over northern Minnesota. Then some gradual improvement into MLK Day on Monday with a chance of some flakes. 26 above will feel like very warm, but models are indicating, Andrea, after that warm-up, another shot of Arctic air makes its way down towards us. So, 'tis January.
One day?
1.5 days of temperatures that are nice.
Okay.
So enjoy tomorrow,
Oh, okay.
the early part.
Yeah, I will. Thanks,
All right.
Hutch.
You're welcome.